Forced entry.
What did it do?
What glove box?
What glove box?
You blow the wiring and shit. Don't.
No, that's the glove box.
No, you threw it down. It closes.
Oh shit, still good. Throw another one in there.
Wait, shine your light in here.
It's an airbag.
That would have been bad. Did we blow that out?
Yeah. It fucking rocked this bitch. Open the other door so we let the smoke out. That smells awesome.
Oh, God. What else can you shove it in?
Want to do the intake?
Hey, he left the keys to it out here.
Maybe he wanted to fix it. No, maybe he wants to fix this thing.
No, he said we were going to blow it up.
All right. I got hit with shrapnel.
I'm in!
Shit. We're gonna get so busted.
You imagine what we could do to shit with these? Man. It's that dust shit, too.
You can't really see much, but
There's not much to see anymore.
it's gone. Let's see. Let's bring it in close. No more center console.
It destroyed it.